I'm Darian Berry, and fortunately, I was one of the students who made it into the science fair. And my project is creating clean water and sustaining life. I know it's a problem in the world that there is a constant need and fight for water. So, I did my project on this because I want to help the world, as anyone else would. So, here's an example of my project here. To create clean water, basically, my way is just to evaporate it, and have the roof of this container here catch the vapors, and then do the dip in the top lets the water particulates go into the bottom, which there's a cup in the middle to contain the end product. And because of that, the rest of the impurities will be left behind. The reason why it was so cruelly constructed is it's supposed to represent that any person in any country can gather these because it's made from cheap materials. And here is another example. It's called the water cone. It has its own website. It's called watercone.com. Basically, the bottom tray here, you fill it up with water. You just set it in the sunlight for a few hours. Eventually, it all evaporates, and it goes to the top, falls down. Now, the thing that you can't see about this design is that if you cut it in half, it's a cone. So it goes like this, right? It just comes down, but then there's a lip at the bottom where all the evaporated water goes into once it condenses. Overall, it may not seem practical because it takes a long time, but it's more practical than just boiling the water, because where are you going to find gasoline from? So, anyway, I'm Darian Berry, and I'd like to thank you for listening.